didn't know if I was the one who's drowning in your flood. It's overwhelming me, but I guess it's clear to me now after staring holes in all my walls. Don't you cut me off.
Hi guys, I'm Nagi. Welcome back to my channel. So this day has finally come. I'm filming a closer door video. This was actually a study room that was provided by the, society. So yeah, let's go inside and check it out. So I know it's not that of a bigger space, but I really like what I've made of it. So I'll just show you segment by segment. So this area is, as you can see, has most of my clothes here, and here are some of my maxi dresses which I really love. I actually have a few more. Those are very light colored or just white, so I've kept it in another cupboard. Okay, so about this, I actually called a carpenter and he did this for me. So I asked him that, I just told him that what I actually wanted, so he got the rod and fixed it. Yeah, moving on. Wait, first let me show you guys this wall. So I took out some printouts that I really can relate to. I just love Carrie. This is my favorite Netflix character. Also some Vogue prints, New York Fashion Week printouts, because I'm seriously obsessed with New York. I just want to go there and never come back. Okay, so this is some bold kind of artwork that my best friend drew. So I just printed it out and put it here. Okay, now moving on to this section. So I got this from a local store. It's just a sliding cabinet like this. So it has some of my skincare products, some of my makeup. This is like my current favorite palette. Now let's talk about this corner. I just love this mirror so much. So मैं जब से लाजपत नगर जा रही हूँ ना, मैं हमेशा ये मिरर देखती हूँ. मैं सोचा इस बार तो नहीं लूँगी, but finally I've got my hands on it. And these lights were gifted to me by my sister. I just love this mirror. Okay, now this section also has some of my jewelry that I love to wear on a, not on a daily basis, but these are some very dainty pieces, so I really wanted to keep it here only. Also, this is such a cute ring stand, right? I got it from Forever 21, and now these are some of my lipstick. This was the whole set. I got this off from Amazon, and this tray you guys have seen earlier. I got this from Shein. It's a really cute seashell plate. And then I just kept it here because it was sent to me by Maybelline New York again. Now let me talk about this section. It's actually a folding almirah. मैंने इसका cover नहीं लगाया because ठीक है ना, सब display पे ही रखना था मुझे. Okay, so I've hung just random tops and some shirts here, and these are all my jumpsuits and some co-auds. I really like this one actually. Wait, let me show you. This is so pretty, you guys. I got this from Shein. Okay, so moving on. Here we have all of my black bottoms, skirts, plazos, anything that is black. Then here we have some skirts. So this is a denim skirt. I got it from Myntra. Funny story, I thought it will fit me, but it doesn't. So yeah. And then we have some more skirts. I really like this skirt, guys. It's so pretty. I got this from H&M. It was in sale back then. So yeah, that's about it. And in this section I have some colored bottoms like palazzo. And then in this section I have all my denims, जो कि mix हो गया with a t-shirt and a legging. Anyway, and then यहाँ पे मेरे कुछ body suits है and some random tops that I hardly wear. And then here we have these tiny baskets. I mean, this one is not that tiny, right? It has all my tank tops and stuff, and this tiny basket has all my lingerie that I'm not gonna show you guys. Okay, now from moving on from this area, I want to show you guys this. I have some of my favorite heels here. Actually denim वाली भी मेरी favorite है, but वो मैं कल event पे पहन के गई थी, so that's why it's not here. So yeah, these are the heels. I mean, they look expensive, I know, but these were just for 350 rupees, guys. I got this from Lajpat Nagar, and these boots are from Lulu and Sky. These heels are from Shein, and these pumps are from Stilettos. It's also in Lajpat Nagar. Okay, now these rugs, I really like this color actually. So I got this from Vishal Mega Mart. It's nearby my place. So they have some really good stuff if you have the right eye, you know, to find it. And it's very reasonably priced. So ये 3 rugs है. Show them. The 3 rugs actually, and each one was for 500. I think it's pretty good. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy this little closet tour. I'm just proud of myself जो मैंने इसके साथ किया है. And just if you have any questions about the stuff, like कहाँ से है या जो भी, you can mention that in the comments below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Also, जो B-roll आपने देखा वीडियो के स्टार्टिंग में, that work was by Shruth. So just a little thanks to him. Okay, bye.